and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a nice snowy day in Toronto today, as you can see, and it might even be the last snowy day before spring is here, so I'm going to make the most of it. We're going to do a little tour of the Yonge Bloor area where I live. Going to also grab a nice coffee and maybe check out a shop or two as well. So let's go. I also need to pick up some business shoes and clothes, so I'm going to check out Nordstrom Rack, which have some good collection of clothes and shoes for a very economical price. So let's check that out. So I didn't find anything in Nordstrom, and now I'm going to go to H&M. So let's see if I have better luck there. So there's been no luck at H&M either, but also I am a very picky shopper. But I continued walking on Bloor Street, and I'm now at Royal Ontario Museum. And also right beside it is one of my favorite spots in my neighborhood. So let's go. So this is one of my favorite spots in the city, and especially in the summer when the weather is good. It's a quiet little walk, and in the summer it's all green and beautiful. It's called Philosopher's Walk. So we're just going to do a quick little walk through here. From Bloor Street it comes out on the other side next to Queen's Park. So we'll check out a bit of Queen's Park as well, and then we'll make our way back to Bloor Street, maybe check out Yorkville, and then get some coffee, and then we're done. That was Queen's Park. I'm probably just gonna go and get a coffee right now because the snow is becoming a bit heavy and it's getting a bit cold. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a coffee and then I'm gonna call it a day. So let's go. So I got my coffee, and that brings us to the end of this vlog, because as you can see my hair is drenched, and the pathways are also pretty bad to walk on now. So I think I'm just going to call it a day. But I hope you like this video, and I hope you're going to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below as well. Take care and stay safe. Cheers.